So in today's episode, I'm unboxing NBA cards. So I actually have here one entire case of Donruss Clearly. I did a personal break with Manila Box Breaks. Shout out kay Jet tsaka kay Nico. Also have this Prizm Choice. Nabubuksan din natin. Well, this one nabuksan na to. Personal break din siya. And a couple more packs over there or cards that I got via the break. Now, sobrang tagal kasi if we will open every single box. So what I did is I wanna focus na lang on the main hits. So tingnan natin kung ano yung main hits ko dito. Then we'll check out the Prizm Choice and then we'll check out all the other cards that I got from joining their breaks. Tara! Okay, so simulan na natin. So these are the hits from the Donruss Clearly. So this is a Tyrese Halliburton, ano ba to, numbered 25. So it's 20 out of 25. The rookies na green. Yung pusa namin nandun, no? Mahilig kasi sila sa boxes. But anyway, so yeah, this is the first hit. Tyrese Halliburton out of 25. To those who are fans of Anthony Edwards, we have over here the rookies naman. This one is, ayaw niya mag-focus dahil transparent. This one is color red. So this one is out of 49. 34 out of 49. So ang ganda ng mga parallel. At least numbered, diba? Usually they just come in their base form. Eh. Then we have a Denny Avdia. This one is out of 49 as well. Ganda, diba? And then, sobrang daming rated rookies. Usually, pagdating sa rated rookies, I just get around, I think around 3 or maybe around 2 to 3 per case or maybe 4. Pero this time, I got a lot. So we have a Jason Tatum rated rookie. We have a Luka Doncic rated rookie as well. And then we have, of course, ang aking PC, one of my favorite players, we have Trae Young rated rookie. And then we have Ben Simmons na ayaw na talaga maglaro for the 76ers, rated rookie. And then we have Paul George. This is a really nice card kasi parang everything else is transparent. Kita niyo yan? But usually you'd have like elements. Ito talaga parang kitang-kite mo siya. Parang siyang blank slate na hindi. Parang ganon. So I really like this card. And then we also, in terms of the auto, the main auto that was nice was a Killian Hayes. The second one was Mason Jones yata eh. And then we also got this Giannis Antetokounmpo na stargazing. Now, there were other parallels. Meron tayong dominant na LeBron, dominant na Steph Curry, My House na Zion Williamson, and of course, a ton of rookie cards as well as vets na nakuha natin from all of these boxes. But I don't want to go through all of that kasi otherwise, kung gawin natin yun, baka 3 hours tayo sa vlog na to. So, yun yung main hits natin for this one. Ang ganda naman, panalo. Now, let's go and check out yung Prizm Choice. Yung Prizm Choice is one of the most expensive Prizm boxes, especially if you take a look at the number of cards. There are only 8 cards per box, and this one sells for around 30 to 40,000 pesos. So, super pricey siya. But promise daw, guaranteed na maganda yung laman. And may mga unique cards din siya kung titignan natin. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga nakuha ko. We have, antayin na natin mag-focus guys. So, we have Silver Donovan Mitchell. We have Caleb Martin from the Hornets. This one is numbered, yan o, kita nyo sa likod. 30 out of 88 na Caleb Martin. We have a Maxi Kleber, Dallas Mavericks. Akala ko nung una nakita ko to sa personal break si Luka Doncic. But this one is 5 out of 8. Sayang, kung Luka yan, mas maganda pa. And then ito yung parang cool card that you get from the Prizm Choice. It's like a green, yellow, blue. Really nice effect. So meron ako nakuha LeBron James na ganyan from another Prizm Choice, by the way. But anyway, so we have Cody Zeller. We have Troy Brown Jr. and one of the biggest hits, or one of the hits from the pack, we have a rookie card na green, yellow, blue na Killian Hayes. Now, this one apparently sells, I think, for $100 to $200. And ang ganda naman, medyo matino naman, medyo a little bit to the left, but the corners are very sharp. So, it's a very nice card. We have a silver LaMelo Ball, easily $200, if I'm not mistaken, $200 to $300. And this one, the centering is actually quite nice. Corners are sharp. So this one, I plan on having it graded. Feeling ko kaya na to mag PSA 10. Well, feeling ko lang naman. And then the auto was this Dennis Rodman. Redemption nga lang, hassle. Sobrang hassle mga redemption. But yun yung nakuha natin sa Prizm Choice. Okay, now these cards are all from various box breaks that I joined with them. Some of the other cards actually nakuha ko na, tinabi ko na, no? But let's pick, ano gusto niyo unahin natin? Unahin natin yung, may Charlotte ba dito? Ito, Charlotte. Charlotte is always nice. If I remember correctly, may nakuha akong sobrang gandang LaMelo Ball card. So, tingnan natin. So, we have Devonte Graham, Grant Riller, Terry Rozier, Cody Zeller. Yan, yan yung LaMelo Ball na maganda na sinasabi ko sa inyo. So we have over here the rookies, LaMelo Ball. Ganda, oh. And this one is numbered out of 99. Apparently, this is like $200 to $300. So, panalo. Sobrang nakakatawa. Then we have others. Sino ba maganda tingnan? Ito, tingnan natin to. Minnesota. Baka may Ant-Man. Sometimes kasi I just join the breaks and I don't get to watch. So nagugulat na lang. Oh yun, may Ant-Man. So we have Anthony Edwards retail na base. Anthony Edwards Premier yata tawag dito. Another base. Silver na Premier. Oh, apat. Apat na Ant-Man. Pwede. Sulit. And then a bunch of other Minnesota, hindi naman a bunch of others. Siyempre lahat sila magagaling. Pero yung target mo talaga dyan si Anthony Edwards. And then, tingnan natin to. Chicago. Siyempre, gusto natin dito Patrick Williams. Oo, sakto. We have a die-cut Patrick Will. This one is numbered as well. Numbered, you know, out of 175. 39 out of 175. Bunch of other cards. Dennis Rodman, Otto ni Daniel Gafford. Oh, cute. Katuwa naman yun. Then we have, tingnan natin yung Lakers. Lakers over here. Dito na, chill na chill yung pusa namin. No? Tingnan nyo. Doon lang siya. Payan yan. Anyway, so tingnan nyo yung Lakers. We have LeBron, Montrezl Harrell, Kyle Kuzma, Anthony Davis, Silver Anthony Davis. Ayun, ang ganda. Anthony Davis, die cut contenders. Pwede natin ilagay sa Raz. Hey. Okay, and then what else is here? Ito na lang siguro. Let's take a look at the Atlanta. We have a Trae Young card na noir. Nice. Trae Young. 17 out of 75. Dish Night memorabilia. Nakakatuwa pag PC mo, tapos may nakukuha ka. And then we have a redemption of Dominic Williams. Dominic Wilkins. Ganda. Freeze frame signatures. Okay, tapusin na natin. We have Phoenix over here. Phoenix. Tingnan natin ano natin. So from Phoenix, we have a DeAndre Ayton variation Jalen Smith. So it should be, variation. So ibig sabihin ng variation is that it's not the normal design or the normal pose of the player. So it's shorter print. Mas konti siya. And then we have DeAndre Ayton. I think this is numbered. Out of 125, DeAndre Ayton. Okay, last, let's go to Detroit. Not expecting too much from this. We have, but maraming rookies to definitely. Saben Lee, Killian Hayes, Sadiq Bey, Isaiah Stewart, Killian Hayes. Lahat rookies. Panalo, di ba? At may isa pa kaming pusang excited at gusto sirain yung mga cards. So we now have two cats on the unboxing sofa. Uy! Uy, kakulit. So that Sphinx is Cleo. And the sleepy cat, pangalan niya is Rumford. So they usually hang out together. But yeah, ayan no. Sirain mo pa cards ko. Huy! Anyway, that wraps up the vlog for today. Di na ako magpapakita dahil mukha ako sabog. So, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo. Ayan, maghaharutan sila. Wink, wink. Dusty! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Oh, ayaw niya. Anyway, so with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.